In today's digital age, managing documents shouldn't be a hassle. Yet many businesses still waste time and resources on outdated filing systems. That's why you need SFT Dox. SFT Dox is a powerful digital document management system that centralizes all your files in one secure platform. From storage and retrieval to version control and sharing, everything is streamlined for maximum efficiency. With advanced search, secure access controls, and automated workflows, SFT Dox ensures your documents are safe, organized, and always at your fingertips. Search capabilities. Find anything. Instantly. SFT Dox Intelligent Search Engine helps you locate documents with precision, speed, and insight, whether it's text, metadata, or scanned content. Document management and workflow. Organize, automate, accelerate, manage documents with structured libraries, and automate workflows to streamline approvals, uploads, and sharing. Administrative control. Total control, zero compromise. Empower administrators with real-time visibility, user management, and compliance-ready audit tools. Collaboration tools. Work together from anywhere. Enable seamless collaboration across teams with real-time editing, sharing, and communication tools. OCR and document scanning. Digitize with intelligence. Convert paper documents into searchable digital files using advanced OCR technology, e-signature and e-form. Sign smart, form fast. Simplify approvals and documentation with integrated e-signatures and customizable electronic forms. Security framework, built for trust, secured for scale. Protect your data with enterprise-grade encryption, authentication, and access controls. Mobile access. Your documents, anytime, anywhere. SFT Dox offers full mobile accessibility, allowing users to manage, search, and collaborate on documents from any device, wherever they are. Embrace a whole new world of possibilities, opportunities, and progress with SFT Warehouse Multi-Product IT Suite that empowers businesses with integrated, scalable solutions. Transform the way you manage documents. Visit today and discover how SFT Dox can simplify your business operations.